Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into Elementor review, the page builder that has ruled WordPress for years. But the big question is Elementor still the best page builder out there? Stick around as we break down Elementor's latest features, its pros and cons, performance improvements, and whether it's worth your time and money this year. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell, so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Alright, let's kick things off with what's new in Elementor. Number 1. AI-powered design assistant. Elementor now integrates advanced AI design suggestions to help you create stunning websites faster. Whether you're adjusting colors, spacing, or typography, Elementor's AI suggests the best options for a more cohesive look. Number 2. Full site drag-and-drop editing. You can now edit not just individual pages but headers, footers, and global templates, all within the drag-and-drop interface. This eliminates the need for separate theme builders. Number 3. Performance optimization tools. Speed is a priority in this year. Elementor has introduced automatic asset loading optimization, reducing CSS and JavaScript bloat to improve loading time by up to 40%. Number 4. WooCommerce Builder enhancements. For e-commerce users, the WooCommerce Builder now includes dynamic product galleries, one-click checkout, and customizable cart designs. Number 5. Cloud-based collaboration. Now, Elementor Pro users can invite clients and team members to collaborate directly on the site, improving feedback loops and speeding up project delivery. Now, let's talk about why Elementor is still the best page builder. Number 1. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Elementor's editor is as intuitive as ever. You don't need to touch a single line of code. With a visual interface that updates in real time, designing becomes a breeze. Number 2. Pre-built templates and blocks. Elementor offers hundreds of professionally designed templates that cater to various industries. Whether it's a blog, e-commerce site, or portfolio, you're covered. Number 3. Responsive design made easy. With mobile-first design becoming essential in 2025, Elementor ensures that your website looks stunning across all devices with custom breakpoints and device-specific controls. Number 4. Vast add-on ecosystem. From dynamic content to custom widgets, Elementor's extensive third-party add-on ecosystem means you can enhance your site with almost any feature imaginable. So let's talk Elementor versus competitors in this year. Elementor versus Divi. Divi offers a great interface, but Elementor's real-time live editing is still faster and more intuitive. Elementor versus Gutenberg. Gutenberg has improved tremendously, but it still lacks the flexibility and customization that Elementor offers for complex designs. Elementor versus Breezy. Breezy is gaining traction, but Elementor's wider plugin ecosystem and WooCommerce compatibility make it the stronger choice for serious projects. Alright, should you still use Elementor in this year? If you value ease of use, flexibility, and powerful customization, Elementor is still a fantastic choice. But if you're running a high-traffic site where performance is critical, you might want to fine-tune Elementor settings or explore lightweight alternatives. In the end, Elementor remains a solid page builder that continues to evolve. However, its dominance depends on how well it balances performance and functionality in the coming years.